Hello and welcome everyone to this new video tutorial. In this video, we will understand how we can export a report to Excel in Salesforce. So in this video tutorial, first of all, we will understand the requirement why we need to export and report to Excel. Then we will see the steps that we can perform, basically export the report to Excel in both Salesforce Lightning as well as Salesforce Classic edition. Now before we jump to the very first topic, I would like to tell you that we bring such tutorials on a regular basis. So if you want to become an Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now let's jump to the very first topic and let's first understand why we need to export report to Excel. So basically, when I was working on a Salesforce project, I got a requirement where I need to share the report with multiple users. So I have to find a common way to share the report with others. So using Excel is one of the common ways to share reports. So basically, there are multiple reasons due to which why we might need to export Salesforce report to Excel. Now these reasons could be offline access. When we want to assess our report offline, then like Excel offers a robust range of tools for manipulating data. So this is also one of the reasons why we need to export our report to Excel. Now collaboration could be another reason. Basically, spreadsheet in Excel allows us to easily share with others, enabling several users to work together on the data. This is valuable for teams that need to collaborate on data analysis and reporting. So this is also a reason why we need to export the report to Excel. Now, once we understand this requirement, let us understand the steps that we need to perform to basically export the report. So first of all, for the Salesforce Lightning experience, I would log into my Salesforce account. Once I have logged in, I have to move to the home setup page. So if you are not at the home setup page, you can click on this gear icon and then you can click on setup. This will basically open the home setup page. I was already on the home setup page, that's why we got the same interface. Once we are on the home setup page, I need to click on the app launcher. So this is the app launcher, I need to click on this, and then here I need to search for reports and I will click on reports to open it. So here you can see this is basically the recent report page by default, and we can open reports from any of these categories. For example, the reports which are created by me, there could be some private reports, some public reports, and we can also list all the reports that are there. Now once we reach on this list, what I need to do, I need to click on the drop down icon corresponding to the report I want. For example, I want this sample flow report, so I will click on the drop icon. From here I will click on this export option. Now there are two formatting options that we can choose from. First one is the formatted report. It basically includes the report headers, groupings and filter, and it is saved in the basic Excel format. Other than this, there is a details only format. Now what happens in this option? This option exports each row of data without any formatting, which can be useful for performing calculation in a spreadsheet later on. And we can all basically select encoding in case of details only format, and we can also select the type of file we want. So for the current instance, I will keep it as formatted report, and then to export the report to Excel, I just need to click on this export button. Once I click on this, here you can see my Excel file has been downloaded automatically. So with this, we have seen the steps how we can basically export the report to Excel in Lightning experience. Now let's check out the steps for the Classic edition. So what I will do, I will click on my avatar and then I will click on switch to Salesforce Classic experience. So this will basically open the Salesforce Classic experience. Now from here I need to click on this plus icon, and under all tabs I need to look for reports. Here is the reports option. I will click on this. So once I click on this, it will open the reports page in the Salesforce Classic edition. Now again I have to do the same task. For the corresponding report that I want to export, I will click on this drop down icon given under action column. I will click on this and I will click on export. Now in the case of Salesforce Classic, I can select the file encoding that I want. So these are the list of file encodings that I can have. Then I can select the file format. So as I want the file in the Excel format, I will keep it this only Excel format .xls. and then I simply click on export. So once I click on export, my report will be automatically downloaded in the Excel format. Now with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial session where we have seen how we can export our Salesforce report to Excel in both Salesforce Lightning as well as Salesforce Classic. Now if you want to learn Salesforce and you want to become a Salesforce expert, so we bring such tutorials on regular basis, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also press the like button if you really like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one, and here are some more suggestions from our side.